support tip of the day. Start right now. The goal is to chip away at your debt and your interest. So rebuilding credit and getting out from under debt feels hard because the system rewards steady, small wins more than dramatic fixes. So win by showing up. Call a creditor to negotiate. Set auto pay to prevent new late payments. And cut one reoccurring expense this week so you can push an extra payment toward principal. Momentum is made from tiny, repeated victories. Take one now and prove to yourself that forward motion is possible.